Hey guys, back with another video. So just a quick intro to this video because that got messed up. This is how to do a brake job on a Yamaha Grizzly 125. Rear brakes were totally shot, squeaking, were not really adjustable. Fronts were alright, but this is just a tutorial on how to do it, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you do, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so when you're replacing the brakes on this Grizzly, you're gonna have to, it'll be easier to pull the hub, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to have a castle nut with a cotter pin and then a washer behind it that goes against this. And that's just one step. And next we're going to be doing is pulling all these bolts after I pull this off. But I'm going to mark it with a Sharpie in case it doesn't want to fit up after. But next we'll be pulling those and then the drum. So I'll get back to you then. Alright, so after you remove, you're going to want to remove the drum. And there's a brass thing around this, but don't even try to remove it because it's a waste of time. There's 4 Phillips right here, and it did nothing. But then there's 4 12-meter bolts right here, 12 millimeters. Those will come off from here, and then as you can see, my brakes are smoked. So yeah, there was a chunk that just fell out there. But anyways, so next is getting these removed by either trying to take the springs off or just trying to pull them off the pivot point there and here. So I'll get back to you guys once I get the new ones installed. Alright, so I installed this. It's not too bad. Just work this side first, then get them over the pivot point there. The new ones are definitely tighter with the springs, so you're going to find it's a lot harder to put them on than it was to take the old ones off. But I cleaned the back of that up before I put it on too. But then also I didn't scuff the inside of this. Some people may think you should. I found sometimes it does more damage than it helps. So I just wiped it out real good, and next I'm just gonna slap the drum back on with the 2 retainers or whatever they're called with the bolts, and then I'll get back to you after that. But as you can see, the old ones were OEM and they are pretty smoked, so hopefully these new ones work good. And also one other tip, if you find it real hard to take off, you're probably gonna have to loosen this back nut there. But I'm just going to try to do this as quick as possible because it's getting dark, and I will show you once I finish that, and if I have time for the front, I'll start on that. Alright guys, so the rear was just reverse process of how you did it on after you get that on, and for the front, the whole bearing and the whole assembly comes out as one. So once again, it was just a cotter pin and a castle nut with a washer, and that came right off, no problem. So now literally just gonna pull this off, and just like that. And obviously putting them on isn't as easy as that, but just clean that up and then put the new ones on, and I'll get back to you when I'm probably doing the other side. So I'll catch you then. So that's what this side looks like. And like I said, it's pretty easy to get these off. I can get them off with one hand, just kind of like flicking them off. But anyways, fronts weren't that bad. Rear was absolutely horrendous, but yeah, so now we're just going to clean that up, put the new one on, and reverse the whole process.